Hey guys, I got this extra large Magnum Force Circuit Breaker XL lockout device here, right? Now let me tell you, this came in a pack of 3 and they sent this to me to try out, right? And I was impressed right away when I was pulling these out of the bags, right? So they're gonna come individually wrapped and these things are nice and sturdy. Now this thing here is made with that top-notch grade materials and you could feel that. You could feel that premium features as soon as you wrap your hands around this extra large Magnum Force Circuit Breaker Lockout device, I tell ya. And it also comes equipped with these nylon finger screw-in screws. And these are fantastic, right? So these are made for those big old circuit breakers. And I don't have those big old circuit breakers in my house. But what I can tell you, and these are gonna come through for you when you need to lock out those big old circuit breakers, guys. So if you got the big circuit breaker, I'm gonna show you what's up, right? This thing has the finger turning screw, and then it has a piece of metal down here at the bottom. That's gonna provide a nice old gripper on where you need to lock it down, right? So it got the screw right in the middle, and when you finger turn this finger screw, the screw is gonna get deeper down inside this premium quality material, right? And it's almost reaching the teeth down there when it's fully engaged. There we go. And then when you have that finger turn and finger screw fully engaged, you can go ahead and close that lid over it. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna give you the necessary hole that you can push your big old lock through, right? And this is fantastic. This is gonna be that standard size hole, you know, for those standard lockout locks that you can get. And that lock fit right through here, nice and smooth like butter, and it did provide a nice tight gripper, I tell you. So if you're looking to lock down those big old circuit breakers that you got, and you want some high quality stuff that's not gonna get pried off, it's not gonna get popped off, you know what I mean? It's gonna stay locked out. Then this right here is gonna be the route that you're gonna wanna go because this thing is fantastic. I'm super impressed with the quality. I'm super impressed with the durability. And I'm just super impressed with this company, I tell you. They're coming out with the best lockout devices I have seen. So all in all, this thing here is fantastic.